Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at question 16 from the 2015 Virginia SOL in Algebra 1. And we've got a question here that involves a polynomial. And they want to know the zeros of the polynomial because they have that polynomial equal to 0. So we see where the polynomial crosses y equals 0. And it crosses right here and right here. And let's look at what we would do on a calculator if we weren't given the graph. And we'd get -4 and 2 are the 2x values, by the way. Alright, so now we've got our calculator here. And so this is what we would do if they didn't give us a graph. We would make our own graph in y equals. We hit graph, and we get this guy. Alright, now we go down to 0. That was second calc, by the way. We went down to 0, and we get our left bound, then we would get our right bound, and then we would guess. So let's see, we got -4 again. You can kind of tell by the graph. Now let's get the other 0. So we got to go over and get the left bound. So it's going down, so we just above it. And then right bound to the right of the 0. Alright, now we're going to try and get right on top of the 0. Enter. Alright, so -4 and 2 like we said. Now we're going to go check these answers by doing -4 store x. Or 2 store x, either way. -4 store x. We're going to do both of them. So, alright, there we go. Now we're going to type this out. Alright, so now we're typing out the function. See, we get 0. Now we're going to do, we got to do we're going to do 2 store x. Alright, and retyping. Alright, 0. So those must be the zeros. Alright guys, hope this was helpful, and good luck on your Algebra 1 SOL. Check out satrva.org if you need any more practice material. Thanks so much for tuning in.